Want to lose fat faster without starving or stressing about every meal? Then it's time to master meal prep, the fat loss cheat code nobody talks about enough. Today, I'm showing you exactly what to cook, when to eat, and how to stay lean without thinking about food all day. Let's get into it. Part 1. Why meal prep is the game changer. Here's the truth. People don't fail at fat loss because they're lazy. They fail because they're unprepared. Meal prep removes the guesswork, the cravings, and the last-minute fast food runs. It's not just about saving time, it's about setting yourself up for effortless consistency. When your meals are ready to go, you make fewer decisions, eat with purpose, and stay in a calorie deficit without tracking every bite. Let me break it down for you. Part 2. What to cook. You don't need to be a chef. You just need meals that check 3 boxes: high protein, volume, and sustainability. Here's a simple 3-meal prep you can repeat all week. Meal 1. Breakfast. Protein oats, half cup oats, 1 scoop whey, protein 1 tablespoon peanut butter berries. This hits your sweet tooth, keeps you full, and packs 30 grams of protein. Meal 2. Lunch. Lean chicken bowl, grilled chicken breast, jasmine rice or quinoa, roasted veggies, avocado, balanced, satisfying, and easy to scale for batch cooking. Meal 3. Dinner. High-volume stir-fry, extra lean ground turkey. Stir-fry vegetables, low-calorie sauce, like teriyaki or soy ginger. You get the flavor without the calories. Prep these in bulk, portion them out, and you've got meals that make fat loss automatic. Part 3. When to eat timing matters, but not the way you think. It's not about eating every 2 hours. It's about matching your meals to your hunger and energy needs. Here's a simple layout. Breakfast, within 1 to 2 hours of waking. Lunch, midday when hunger peaks. Dinner, 3 to 4 hours before bed. If you work out, place your most carb-heavy meal post-workout to aid recovery and control cravings. Part 4. How to stay consistent. Even the best meal plan won't work if you can't stick to it. Here's how to stay lean long-term without losing your mind. 1. Pick 3 to 4 go-to meals and rotate them. Too much variety equals decision fatigue. Keep it simple. Second prep 2 times per week, not just Sunday, Wednesday is your midweek reset. Keeps food fresh and routine locked in. 3. Store meals visibly in your fridge. If it's front and center, you'll grab it. Out of sight equals out of mind. 4. Keep emergency snacks handy. Boiled eggs, protein bars, Greek yogurt, lifesavers when you're on the go. Now you've got the plan. The real challenge is execution. So here's what I want you to do. Comment below with your current meal prep routine or ask me anything you're stuck on. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. I've got more fat loss content coming every week.